everyone, welcome to Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have made one more quick dash to my Dollar Tree. I had to pick up a few more Halloween goodies, and while I was there, I found some wish items. Let me show you what I found. I needed some more orange flowers, so I picked these up. These are orange mums, and I like these. I like these mums this year because usually they're like kind of loose like this, but actually it's just been squished. So I can just push it back together like this. Now usually they're just like really soft petals, but these are like kind of on the stiff side, so I like these. I picked up 3 of these picks. And then while I was shopping for my orange flowers, I found this one. Now this is new. Well, maybe they've had it before, I just missed it. Now this one is part of just a regular floral, but look how beautiful these are. These are hibiscus, and it's a 4-foot garland, but look how beautiful. Look at that. It'll look awesome in an arrangement, right? Isn't that beautiful? You get 5 petals on the garland, so I picked up 2 sets of garland. So I have those. And let's see, I also picked this up. This is a decorative shred, and it's orange. Isn't that awesome? I'm not sure what I want to do with this one yet. I might put them in the treat bag, or I might just use it as like a vase filler. But how cute, right? You get 1.8 ounce in this, and they have all sorts of colors, so take a look when you go to your Dollar Tree. I had to make a quick stop in the Halloween section. I just couldn't pass up. I walk in, it's always there, like, come shop with me, come shop with me. I picked up some more of the hot pads, and let me grab these mittens. I like the black truck on this one with the pumpkins and the skulls and the bird and the spiders. So cute. These are going in my kitchen. I like using these. I know they don't last. They're not the best of kinds, but I love using these in there for the season. Once I'm done with the season, I get to replace it with the next season. So it's awesome. And then look what I found. These are well, yeah, they're for a leg, but still, it says ladies tights in one size. They're fishnet tights. So this is the larger net one. Look at this. You can put a pumpkin in here, right? Because I've seen, like, I think it was at Home Goods, I saw a pumpkin with like a fish netting on there. How awesome would that be? And, it's quite a stretchy piece, so it'll work, right? If you can find it, grab some up. And then they have the smaller netting. So if you were to wear it, that's what it would look like on the skin. Oh, you know what? It'll be awesome if you make some gloves out of these things. Well, a mitten maybe. Let me see this one. Look at that. How cute would it be to make some gloves? Now, it won't be a very effective glove, but maybe if we can stick our finger through there. Oh, there we go. Look at that. And then add some ruffles on there. How cute. I might do that. I only picked that one each. While I was walking down the candle aisle, look at these adorable tea light candles. You get 3 pieces in each packet. They are 2.1 inch. I found it in the ghosts and in the skulls. But look how adorable these are. just so cute. This one has a mouth. These two are missing theirs, but we can just take a black Sharpie and give them their mouths back, right? Not that hard to do. There's a little indentation on the candle itself. See? There's actually a hole right there. So yeah, just fill that back in. And then, wait a minute. Look at the skulls. This is the black one. Isn't he adorable? Look at the teeth. So cute. And then here's the gray one. Now you can always darken the eyes, the nose, and the teeth, right? And then this one, you take a white paint and lighten that up so you can see all the features. And then this is the white one. Let me shade it a little bit so you can actually see. Yeah, and then the same with this one. Just darken those sockets right there in the teeth. It is so cute. I don't even want to burn it, you know? So adorable. Yeah, I picked up 2 of each, as you can tell, you know. Oh, I couldn't pass up those. And then I picked up some hood masks. Now these were in the Halloween section, but I found it in the toy section at another store, so check both areas. And then these are 6.89 by 9.53 inches. You know, it's a decent size, right? Look, it's got the nylon material, or the, you know what you call it, sheer fabric. I thought it stretched. No, it doesn't stretch. Okay, well that's fine. Now I bought these because I want to add some more people to my yard decoration. So I bought the mask, and that'll be great. You got the pirate, and then you got the skeleton. So I have plenty of material to, you know, make another prop outside. I just needed a new face to go with it. So they'll make a great addition to my front yard. That'll be awesome. But yeah, I picked up just one each. These next items I've been wanting for a while. Oh, you know, since I've seen them, I wanted this little mini vacuum cleaner. I've heard they work really well. So I picked up several of these. I'm going to gift some for Christmas. Look at this. Isn't this adorable? It's just so cute. Of course, I heard that when you suck up all the junk, keep it facing up until you get to the trash can, and then you can dump it. Other than that, you'll just dump everything everywhere. So I picked out some blue ones, and I also picked out a green one. I've noticed that it comes in pink also, but my stores did not have any pink ones. I'm not sure if that's just the 3 color it comes in, like the blue, green, and pink. There might be a 4th color, because you know how Dollar Tree goes. So I'll be on the watch out to see if I can find a pink one, and then see what other colors somebody else finds. But aren't they adorable? So got that one. And then look, my other wish item. This is that handheld bag sealer with magnetic strip. And this requires 2 AA batteries. Oh, look at that. Instructions. We love instructions with pictures. I mean, why read when you can just look at the picture? It says reseal to keep food fresh. Perfect for snacks, chips, cereal, dried fruit, nut, and coffee bags. Isn't that awesome? I have been wanting to buy one off of Wish, but then I'm like, you know what? I don't need it. I have a huge one. I don't need a tiny one. But look at this. Isn't this awesome? No, it comes in 2 colors. Well, I thought I grabbed the other one, but I guess I grabbed 2 whites. I want to say it was like blue, or maybe it was black. I don't remember. But yeah, it comes in another color in case you want it. But I'm going to put some batteries in here. Let's see. Let me look at my instructions. It doesn't show how to put the batteries in, but I think I can figure it out. Like right here. Oh, so this hinge comes back. Drop that in there. And well, it doesn't, I do not see like an on and off switch. So I'm thinking it probably heats up by itself. I'm going to put this aside and let that heat. And we will test that. I want to know if it actually works. I also picked these up. These are multi-purpose clips. They are power clips, magnetic. Again, you'll find these in the kitchen gadgets section. It says food storage, small toys, craft supplies, paper files. I picked them up because I don't have these colors in my supply box. And I must have these colors. And I couldn't just have like 2 of each color. I had to have 2 full sets. So I like this one. This one says, "That's how I roll." That's a rolling pin. How cute, right? This one says, "Seize the day, keep smiling." I like them. They're so cute. And then if you need it to like stick it on the refrigerator, it is, there's a very nice big piece of magnet there. I'm testing this thing to see if it's working yet. Well, it's not. Let's see. Still no heat. Maybe there is a power switch. Oh, look, there's a safety guard. Let me switch batteries. It could be my batteries. I also picked up some cable ties. I picked up 3 bags because that's exactly how much I need. Now, each bag you get 60 ties. I like getting my cable ties from Dollar Tree because it comes in different sizes at a great price of $1.25. So these are 8 inches. And I like working with this size. You know, it comes in a very long piece if you want one. But I like these sizes. And they're white, so it works well for my craft projects. And I need them because I plan on making another wreath that requires me to use a lot of cable ties. So I have that. Oh, and look what I found. A new frame for photos. If you want to put a photo in here, it's a 4x4. But look, isn't that awesome? And if you don't want your picture in there, I imagine it slides right out. It might take a little force. Okay, I'm not going to fight with this right now, but I think it requires a little force. You probably have to open up the clips just a little bit to get that out. But I was thinking about maybe putting like a Halloween image in there for Halloween to set on one of my tables. Look at that. Isn't that neat? And then I can always switch this out for, you know, after Halloween I can put something in there for Thanksgiving and then for Christmas and then Valentine's Day and, you know, all the upcoming seasons. But look how cute. Now you can always also decorate the outer frame, right? I like it. Then they also have it in that octagon shape if you want to maybe like create a hive for your family photos. That'll be awesome too. That's what I got. Just the one. And then the last item I picked up are these. Oh, wait. I skipped one. I'll show you in a moment. But look at this. It says live. There are 3 different kinds. I picked up the one with the white background, which says live. Now, there's 2 other ones. It comes with like a tan color background and then a darker brown one. But look at that. And they all have just the 4 houses. I was thinking I want to take this apart because it doesn't bend. Now, it would have been awesome if I could bend this, right? But I will figure out a way to disassemble because that's my speciality. But they're so cute. Look at this. I want to see. How big are they? They are like 2 1/4 inch wide by 3 inches. 3 inches high. Oh, look. This is the last item that I picked up. It's a dahlia clip from the Halloween section. See, it comes on that little clasp. I have a project in mind for this. So I've been wanting some. Now, when they first came out at the beginning of the season, I was like, I don't need that. But then I've been watching YouTube again. And I saw this awesome crafting project with like big floral pieces. Just the head of the floral. And I'm like, ooh, I wonder I can make one for Halloween. So yeah, I'm glad I found this one. And then they do have other colors. I wanted an orange one too, but they didn't have like a bright orange one like I want. Now, they have some over in the harvest section, but it had like gold glitter on there. So I passed that one up. But how cute, right? If my project works out really well, I will probably do one for the harvest season too. I will share that craft project with you. Well, this is everything that I have picked up. Well, I mean, I picked up a lot of cute Halloween items. I mean, my stores still have a very good selection of Halloween products still in. So, but you know, it's about to disappear, right? Everybody's going to finally start shopping for Halloween and they're going to snatch it all up. But that's why I was like, I need to get to Dollar Tree. I really need to get to Dollar Tree and pick up some more items. But look at this. How awesome. I am so happy that I found my little mini vacuums and my bag sealer. I don't know. I think this one doesn't work. But it's a good thing I picked up too. Well, I found some cute goodies. Look at this. Dollar Tree is bringing out some stuff that I have not seen so far in the season. And then look at these votive candles. How adorable. They're so cute. And then I like my new mask. They're going to look awesome in my yard. And then if you guys get to see this hibiscus, look how gorgeous. It almost looks real. I hope that you find everything that you are looking for, that you find everything on your wish list the next time you go to Dollar Tree. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.